Curly or straight? In the world of journalism, on-air reporters aim to look camera-ready. But it may come with a couple of sacrifices for some women. African American women, in particular, have had to figure out how to style their hair for the camera.
Broadcast journalism, being on TV news, is pretty conservative. You don't want to see anybody with a lot of hair. And the main thing, something that distracts the viewer from what you're talking about, from the news of the day.
More women are starting to embrace their natural curls. There are alternatives like straightening, wigs, or extensions, but some critics think women should be who they are.
My hair shouldn't be something that hinders me from getting a job. I feel like my hair is definitely part of my image, and I want whoever's watching me to feel like they know me.
Young aspiring journalists aren't quite sure how they will wear their hair, but others have made up their minds. Nicole Curtis is a student who wears her natural hair, but straightens it for the camera.
I love my natural hair, but having straight hair on air gives me so much more confidence. Having straight hair is what more people like on air. It's hard to say, but it's the truth. You got to do it. It's going to get you the job.
There isn't one set rule to follow. It's all about personal preference. But that personal preference could determine where reporters end up in their careers. Simone Thomas, Journalism 361, College Park, Maryland.